Great places to visit in the United States. North Dakota, nestled in the heart of the Great Plains region, is a state that embraces Prairie Serenity and celebrates its rich heritage. Known as the Peace Garden State, North Dakota offers a tranquil escape with its wide-open spaces, rolling prairies, and picturesque landscapes. The state's untouched beauty can be witnessed in places like Theodore Roosevelt National Park, where bison roam freely and rugged badlands create a striking backdrop. North Dakota's vibrant Native American culture is showcased at sites such as the Knife River Indian Villages National Historic Site, where visitors can learn about the traditions and history of the indigenous peoples. The state's charming small towns such as Fargo and Bismarck offer a blend of Midwestern hospitality, historic landmarks, and cultural attractions. The rich agricultural heritage of North Dakota is celebrated at events like the North Dakota State Fair, where visitors can experience the lively atmosphere and indulge in farm-fresh delights. North Dakota's appreciation for the arts is evident in its museums, galleries, and theaters, which showcase local talent and regional history. With its peaceful landscapes, welcoming communities, and a deep connection to its roots, North Dakota invites visitors to embrace the tranquility of the prairies, delve into its diverse heritage, and experience the warmth and authenticity that define this remarkable state. Subscribe or follow for more interesting places to visit.